Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about why there are only 6 colors, not 7. So, everybody has heard of the 7 colors of the rainbow. Those in the correct order are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are easily visible at all times except one. You can look out and you can point in the water and say, "Oh, that's nice blue water." You can point out at your lawn and say, "Oh, that's a nice green lawn." Um, but um, if you look at indigo, what? How do you identify indigo as its own individual color? Uh, Especially for me, I'm colorblind. I can't actually see indigo. It is just some middle ground between blue and violet. What do you even consider to be indigo in the first place? Uh, Unlike other colors, which are easily distinguishable from others, there isn't a point where you can say, look at indigo and say, oh, no, that isn't indigo, that's violet or that's blue. Um, there's no situation where you can say, oh, yes, I know what I'm looking at. I'm looking at indigo. It doesn't exist. For me personally, because I can't see it at all, that's why it hits home. The true nature of how indigo is a lie. If you look at the definitions for what colors are, you look at red and yellow, that equals orange. Yellow and blue, that equals green. Blue and red, that equals violet. But if you look at the definition for indigo, the definition for indigo, bluish purple. What? Bluish purple. That is the most vague definition of anything that I could think of. So, if you were to say drop a bit of violet food coloring into the ocean, would that make the ocean indigo? If you were to look at all the violet flowers of the world and drop a bit of blue paint on one, would that make them indigo flowers? There's no space where indigo comes into existence. The only reason that indigo exists as a base color, as you know it, is because of Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was the one who categorized the colors we know today into 7 basic colors: red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The only reason indigo exists is because he decided that there need to be 7 colors. Because 7 is a holy number that has no place in science. Where there are only 3 singular colors and then 3 secondary colors, there's no place for indigo to exist. In today's world, where we know about colors, how they interact with the cones of our eyes, and how we perceive color as a whole, how it reflects off of objects and enters our minds, we need to remove indigo from the scale, much like how we remove Pluto from the planets. Indigo is a lie. Indigo is a monstrosity. And for everybody who's colorblind out there, they will agree that indigo, it needs to indigo away. Indigo away. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Goodbye.